श्री रामकृष्ण हरी. अभंग क्रमांक 156. संतांचा अतिक्रम देवपूजा तो अधर्म. संतांचा अतिक्रम देवपूजा तो अधर्म. एती दगड तैसेवरी मंत्रपुष्पे देवाशिरी. एती दगड तैसेवरी मंत्रपुष्पे देवाशिरी. अतितासी गाळी देवा नैवेद्यासी पोळी. अतितासी गाळी देवा नैवेद्यासी पोळी. तुका म्हणे देवा तुका म्हणे देवा ताडन भेदकांची सेवा. ताडन भेदकांची सेवा. या अभंगाचे अर्थ आपण इंग्लिश मध्ये पाहूया. Ignoring or disrespecting a santa is a violation of religious duty, adharma. Even if you are performing puja, worship. Even if you are performing puja, worship. If you ignore a santa at your door. If you ignore a santa at your door, the holy flowers offered to God are equivalent to throwing stones at him. It is a violation of duty to cause of guest santa while offering sweet offerings, naivedya. To God, Tuka says, the kind of partial service is not true. Tuka says, this kind of partial service is not true. Devotions, it is a punishment streak. Devotions, it is a punishment streak. To God, Tukaram Maharaj explains that God resides in the hearts of Santa. Tukaram Maharaj explained that God resides in the hearts of Santa and devotees. Therefore, serving a Santa is superior to formal, mechanical ritual. If one is a disrespectful toward a true devotee. Against the worship offered to God holds no value and is equivalent to absing him. Against the worship offered to God holds no value and is equivalent to absing him.